Imagine you're cruising down the highway, music playing, feeling good, and suddenly your engine stuttered, maybe even stalls out completely, and that dreaded orange check engine light pops onto your dashboard. It is a heart-sinking feeling, isn't it? If you have plugged in a scanner and pulled the code P247C, you might be scratching your head wondering what on earth an exhaust gas temperature out of range on Bank 2 Sensor 1 actually means for your wallet and your weekend. Do not panic just yet, because we're going to break this down simply so you know exactly what you're dealing with. This code is generic, meaning whether you drive a Ford, a Volkswagen, a Chevy, or an Audi, the basics are the same. Your car has a computer, often called the ECU, that acts like a brain. It relies on sensors to know what is happening. The exhaust gas temperature sensor, or EGT, does exactly what it sounds like. It measures how hot the fumes are leaving your engine. The computer uses this info to adjust the fuel mixture and timing to protect your catalytic converter and keep emissions low. When you see code P247C, the computer is shouting that the signal from the sensor on Bank 2, specifically sensor 1, is making no sense. It is out of the expected range. Now, Bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, so you'll need to check your specific manual to locate that. Why does this matter? Well, aside from the annoying light, a bad reading can cause your car to run rich or lean, ruining your fuel economy, causing overheating, or making the car stall because the computer is trying to fix a problem that might not even be there. Before you run out and buy a new sensor, grab a flashlight, pop the hood, look for the sensor on the exhaust pipe. Is the wire melted? Is it rubbing against metal? Are the connectors corroded? Honestly, half the time it is just a bad wire or a loose connection. If the wiring looks good, you might have an exhaust leak near the sensor throwing off the reading, or the sensor itself might be clogged with carbon buildup. If you're handy with a multimeter, you can check the resistance. These sensors change resistance based on heat. If the resistance stays stuck while the pipe heats up, the sensor is toast. But please, do not just swap the computer. That is an expensive mistake people make when it is usually just a $50 sensor or a broken wire. Take your time, inspect the simple stuff first, and you'll likely save yourself a trip to the mechanic.